Fried rice, it's famous everywhere. Why? It's tasty and easy. Everyone loves a good plate of fried rice, perfect for using leftovers, or create a whole new dish. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, you probably have most of these already. Cooked rice. Use cold, day-old rice for best results. It separates nicely when fried. Eggs. We'll scramble these separately for fluffy bites. Aromatics. Garlic and ginger add tons of flavor. Veggies, onions, carrots, peas, anything goes. Protein optional, chicken, shrimp, tofu, take your pick. Soy sauce, for that classic savory flavor. Sesame oil. A little goes a long way in adding aroma. Now the fun begins. Let's cook. Step 1. Scramble the eggs. Heat some oil in your wok or large pan. Scramble the eggs until just set, then remove and set aside. Step 2. Sauté the aromatics. Add a bit more oil to the pan. Sauté chopped garlic and ginger until fragrant. Don't burn them. Step 3. Add the vegetables. Add your chopped veggies, cooking until tender crisp. We want them cooked but still with a bit of bite. Step 4. Fry the rice. Add the rice to the pan. Break up any clumps. Stir fry until the rice is heated through and slightly toasted. Step 5. Season and combine. Stir in the soy sauce and sesame oil. Add your scrambled eggs and any protein you're using. Mix well, heat through, and serve. Want to take your fried rice to the next level? Here are a few tips. Use cold, day-old rice for the best texture. Don't overcrowd the pan when stir-frying. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. And get creative with your add-ins and toppings. There you have it, the art of making delicious fried rice. It's easy, customizable, and oh so satisfying. So grab your ingredients and get ready to create your own fried rice masterpiece.